Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to show you how to manually close the top on a Mercedes-Benz SLK230. Thanks for joining me. So I had this 99 SLK230 out for a drive the other day, had the top down, and it is now stuck in the open position. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to manually close this when this happens. Before we get started, if you are a new or existing subscriber, please make sure that you either ring the bell or go into your notifications and turn them on so you are notified when a new video comes out. Now back to this video. So the first thing you need to do is open the trunk. And you can see there is the top tucked away nice and safe in there. Now we do need to open these panels on the side here and get a Allen key out, and that will you'll use that Allen key to turn off the valve for the fluid that goes through that hydraulic pump. So go ahead and open this up. And I'll show you, they actually include this for this situation. And again, you just need to turn off where that pump is. And with that panel open, we're just going to put it in here on this key. And we're going to turn that to release the pressure, so that way we can move the top up and down without causing any damage to this. And there's a release cable here. We're going to pull that. And we got to do the same on this side. Now this panel, there's little clips here. You need to pull these clips off to take this panel off. And then there's a release under there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use this little pry tool here to pop this cap off of here. And again, there are 4 of these. So I was able to get that one out. It's missing one down there, but we've got one more here. I guess we have 3 on this. Well, actually, only 2 on this one. Alright, then that comes out. And once you pull those to release that, you can lift this up. So with that up, I'm going to lift this top. This is actually a little heavy. You want to make sure that you line it up with these clips. Alright, and then inside here is where that 6mm X key is. Alright, now with the top shut, I'm going to go ahead and use the Allen wrench here to lock the top on. plastic cap back up in there. And we can close the trunk lid. Alright, so we're going to open this up, the trunk open. You can see this panel that goes here. We're going to put these back in. Put those in here. Need to turn the hydraulic fluid back on. And we need to turn the fluid back on the hydraulic pump. Okay, so we need to tighten that up. Tuck that back in. Put this panel back on. Looks like the previous owner moved some wires out here, but that's alright. And then that is done in here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.